today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the dual time view on the Casio G-Shock GW-9010 watch. This is a feature that a lot of people seem to miss on these G-Shock watches. It's not unique to this model. There's several models you can do this on. This view that we're looking at right here is what's called your current time view. You can see my current time is 2:28 p.m. It is Wednesday, July 12th. You do not have to keep this view if you don't want to. You can toggle to what's called your dual time view. And what's great with that is it gives you two different times that you can look at the same time. It's similar to the world time view, except you're in your regular time mode, so you can see both your world time and your current time. The way we go to our dual time view is we're going to simply press the top right button while we're in our time mode. It's a simple toggle. If we press that, it switches our view, and now instead of seeing Wednesday in my current date, we see my world time date in time. I'm sorry, my world time value, which is London, and the world time, which is 7:28 p.m. This is a great feature if you've got people you work with or maybe family members that are in a different time zone and you don't want to constantly be wondering what time is their time zone versus yours. I can look at my watch and see my current time up top, 2:29 p.m. I can see my world time value down here at the bottom. I never have to get out of my time mode. It will stay in this view as long as you want to leave it in there. If you're done with your dual time view, you want to go back to just what's called the current time view. Simply press the top right button, switch back to your current time view. Anyway, that's a quick look at the dual time view on the Casio G-Shock GW-9010 watch. I hope the video helps.